Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Stunning, which is one of the AppSumo lifetime deal. I'm going to be showing you a complete tutorial on how you can use Stunning to create stunning code-free website in second with this AI powered website builder. So this app Stunning can help you create these AI powered website builder. Let me show you the dashboard of Stunning. So this is the dashboard of Stunning. I'm going to be showing a complete tutorial later in this video on how you can use Stunning to make an AI generated website. Now let's get back to AppSumo. Now let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. So it is best for freelancers, marketers, web design agencies, and you can do integrations with Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Intercom, and Stripe. And it is also an alternative to Webflow, Wix, WordPress. So it is an amazing app. You can build a professional website using just simple prompts. So all you have to do is just simply type in the prompts and you can get a professional looking website. Then you can designs are unique and tailored to your business. Then you can generate a new site design with just one click. There is not a lot of fuss when it comes to making a website. All you have to do is just you can just make the website with a click of your button. So this is just a screenshot of one of the website that is made by Stunning. As you can see, it is an amazing website created by Stunning. You can make this as well. I'm going to be showing later in the video how you can create this website. So you can edit sections of the website, you can add section to each page, and supports popular web integration for Meta, Pixel, Google Analytics, Intercom, and more maximum flexibility. Another screenshot of Stunning. So you can add sections like header and all that. You can add testimonials, you can add features, everything. Then you can use AI to create content for your blog, social media, and emails. Then you can generate Google Ads to drive paid search traffic. Then comes you can remove all app branding on your website. You can get a full support for white labeling. As you can see, this is a description that is made by Stunning. You can do this as well. I'm going to be showing this later in the video. Now if you scroll down here, you can see the plans and features. So you can get a lifetime access to Stunning. Then if you look at the features, there are some amazing features. You get an AI assistant, you get an AI marketing, then generate additional pages with AI, then you can site hosting, then there's a SSL certificate included, premium widgets, dynamic blocks, and stock images. So you get all these features, and you also get a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like this product, you can return to them. You can return to them within 60 days. So you have enough and more time to test Stunning out, and if you don't like it, you can give it to them right away. Now let's talk about the pricing of Stunning. As you can see, the pricing of Stunning, it is $49, which gives you 2 websites, 50 contacts, 5 pages per website, and a custom domain. Then comes the license tier 2, which is $159, and it gives you up to 10 websites. So you can make up to 10 websites. Then comes the license tier 3, which gives you 25 websites. Then you get unlimited contacts and so on and so on. There is also a license 4, which is $399, which gives you 50 websites that you can make. Then comes the fifth tier, which can give you up to 150 website that you can create. Then comes the 6th tier, which gives you unlimited website. So you can use unlimited website, unlimited contacts, unlimited pages per website, custom domain, and white labeling. So in my opinion, for most people, I think the license tier 2 is more than enough. Now let's have a look at the dashboard of Stunning. Now I'm going to be showing you a complete tutorial on how you can use Stunning to create these amazing AI websites. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you click the link down below in order to purchase Stunning through my link, which will give you a 10% discount. Now let's get into the video. So as you can see here, you can create a website by clicking the link, clicking this button right over here. So I'm going to press it. So after you press, you get all these available options, which starts from starter, online business, digital product, local business, pre-sale, music, podcast. So based on your product, you can choose from all of this. So for the sake of this video, I am just going to press the local business option. So there's a prompt that is given by the website right over here. It says create for me a website for my local shop I am selling. So I'm going to type here women's clothing. Now let me press the enter button. So it's asking me what's the name of your business. So let me type there Eco Glam. Okay, now they're asking me how my website should look like. So I'm going to keep it innovative. Okay, yes, I'm communicating. So yeah. So they're asking me to pick a color. I'm going to go for green. Okay, so they are giving me the suitable color palette. If you press this thing over here, maybe you can get another color. Let's see. Yeah, I think the color have slightly changed. Now I'm going to press generate the website. Now this app is gonna create me a completely new website, which is created by Stunning. As you can see, just close this button. As you can see, Stunning has made an amazing website based on my needs. Okay, this is a really good website. You can also edit based on your choices. So if you want to add a logo, just press over here, and you can upload your logo image here. You can change the title if you want. You can change the button number if you want. You can choose a file from here and you can upload the logo if you want. Let me show you how you can do it. Wait. So I'm gonna upload the image. I think it's uploaded. Let me see. Let me close it now. As you can see, the logo has been uploaded. So in case if you want to change this image, all you have to do is press on it, and you can change the image if you want. If you don't, and you can change the title, you can change the subtitle, you can change the description, you can change literally anything you want in this website. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it. So you can customize everything based on your needs. Now let's press on the site settings. So you can change the title, description, meta tags, featured image, and fave icon. You can change all of this. I'm sorry about it. You can also connect your third party to it. Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, Intercom, anything you want. Also add a custom domain for your choice. Now let's go to this go to button. in which you can go to the AI marketing. Let me show you how that works. So now we are inside AI marketing. So this is where we created our website. Now this is the AI marketing part in which you can market the website. So in order to do that, first you have to select the website, which is EcoGlam, and you have to create a new post. For the sake of the video, I'm going to go with Facebook post. So I have to say something about my business. Let's just say amazing women's clothing. The tone I'm going to keep is professional, and let me generate it. So as you can see, a post has been made, a Facebook post has been made, which is pretty good. Now I'm going to save it. So you can see it has been saved. You can keep on making new Facebook posts and upload to your Facebook in order to market it. And now there is AI Genie right over here, in which it will help you to write blogs about your product. It can write a story about your product. It can write a poem about your product. It can even write you a product description. So let me say if it wants to create me a blog. So if I press here, write me a blog about women's kurti. As you can see, it has created me an amazing blog about women's kurti. So you can do this based on all of your needs. So if you want to go with a story, you can press on it and just type in what product you want to write a story about. You can do all of that. Okay, you can edit as well as delete this website that you have created. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Stunning. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, which can give you a 10% discount. And I hope to see you on another review video.